Welcome to PhoneBox. Let's start. Visit phoneboxmobile.ca and click on Mobile Plans. Take a look at our plan and select the plan of your preference. Let's add to the cart the 100 GB plan. In this case, we don't have a SIM card yet. For that, you will need to complete the main blocks. 1. Shipping address. Add where you want your SIM card to arrive, it can be your home country. 2. Shipping options. 3. SIM usage information, where you will be using our service. Important. Select your activation date. Click Port in if you already have a Canadian phone number. Before continuing to the payment methods, please sign up for our self-serve account and sign in to continue. Or sign in with Apple or Google. Accept the terms and conditions and proceed to the checkout. Select your payment method. Stay tuned, new payment methods will come soon. Complete the payment with your card information, and select auto payment if you want to extend your service automatically. You will receive an email with your phone number on your activation day. Welcome to PhoneBox. Now you are ready to go.